In this video, I'm going to go over 3 different ways of how you can add an RSVP form to your Canva wedding website. In this example, we already have our website built and we have an RSVP button down here at the bottom. So now we need to connect it with a form so we can actually collect those responses. Now, the first and the easiest way is to use Google Forms. They're free, they're super easy to set up. You can start with a template or build one completely from scratch, so it matches your wedding branding as well. You have so many question formats. You can add photos, and everything is stored in your Google Form storage, which is very nice and clear and easy to manage. All you need to do is publish your form so anyone with the link can access it, and then you can copy the link and simply paste it into your RSVP button on your website. Now, if we preview our website, you'll see that once we click our button, it opens up our form in a new page directly into Google Forms. If you want to style your form a bit further, there's also an option to embed it into Canva. Under Apps, find an Embed app. And paste your form link. You'll see you can stretch it out so the full form is visible, or you can allow the option so people can scroll down and answer your questions. If your form is very long, you can just stretch it down and expand your page length. Now, instead of linking the form directly, we're going to link our Canva page. And if you scroll down, you'll find your page 3 or whichever page you have for RSVP, and just link this one. Now, if we preview and click on the button, it will take us to the new page that we just created. All the options that I'm going to show you in this video have their own pros and cons. Let's move on to the second option. Under Apps, go and type in Jot Forms. You can use a template or create one with the help of AI to get you started. And if you don't already, you'll have to connect your JotForm account, which will take you to the platform where you can edit your form, adjust the style, add more questions. And once you're done with customization, just click Update Design and refresh while your new form appears. With the transparent background, you can really design this page to your liking. You can add any elements. And I'm also going to show you how you can hide that JotForm branding at the bottom, which is super easy to do. If you go under Elements, choose a square, and recolor it in your background color. This way, your form looks nice and clean without any external branding. Now, under our RSVP button, I'm going to link the new page that we created with JotForm. So under Preview, you can see how it looks. While JotForm is super customizable, make sure to keep in mind that they have a pricing setup. So currently, the free starter plan allows you up to 5 forms and 100 monthly submissions, which is perfect if you have a wedding of under 100 people. Otherwise, you might need to look into the paid plans or the alternative form options. And moving on to the final one, we'll create another page, and under Elements, we'll find Forms. Yes, Canva has integrated forms directly inside the platform, which is super convenient if you want to keep everything in one place. You can customize the colors, the questions, and anything you need here in the settings. And you can preview the answers directly here in Canva as well. So let me quickly just fill it out so you can see. In the preview, we'll go and fill out the form, submit. And on your end, if you click on the form, you'll be able to see responses. You can preview them here in the quick window, or you can link to Sheet. So you have a clearer view of all of the RSVPs. So those are 3 of my favorite ways to add forms and collect data in Canva. So let me know which one is your favorite, which one will you be choosing for your wedding website. And as always, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments and I'll try to help as much as I can. And if you're new here, hi, I'm Anna. I'm the brand and web designer behind Studio Bressi. And on this channel, I share easy to follow design tips alongside with Squarespace and Canva tutorials to help you feel more confident and creative as you bring your designs to life. Thank you for watching and happy creating.